In summary, William Wordsworth was one of the most influential writers of the Romantic period. His wide range of influence in the people his work affected was arguably more than any other writer. From his piece Preface to Lyrical Ballads to Guide to the Lakes, his reach was far beyond many of the writers of his time. His views of gender equality is present throughout his work and was often opposite of how his readers interpreted it. All in all, William Wordsworth was one of the most influential writers of the Romantic period. His work is often seen as inspiration in the voice of the French Revolution and the Industrial Revolution, and William Wordsworth will forever be etched into the history of the Romantic period, as much as any writer or more.